Welcome to a calm beginning and a moment of steady awareness. Today's affirmation invites you into connection. Each breath connects me to something greater. Breathing is often automatic, unnoticed, and taken for granted. Yet within each breath is a quiet reminder that you are not separate. Air moves through you and beyond you, linking your inner experience with the wider world around you. When you become aware of your breath, something shifts. The sense of isolation softens. The mind quiets. You begin to feel part of a larger movement, one that does not depend on effort or control. This affirmation is not about defining what that greater connection is. It does not need labels or explanations. It is simply the felt sense of belonging, of being included in the flow of life itself. As you breathe, notice how the body responds. The chest rises and falls. The nervous system settles. With each breath, you are reminded that support is already present, moving in and out of you without demand. As the day unfolds, return to this affirmation whenever you feel disconnected or overwhelmed. Let one breath be enough to bring you back. You do not need to search far for connection. It is already happening. Here's your daily habit for today. Take one conscious breath today and feel yourself connected rather than separate. Carry these companion affirmations with you. I belong to the rhythm of life, and I am supported by something larger than myself. Thank you for beginning your day with AM inspiration and choosing awareness over distraction. May each breath remind you that you are part of something steady and enduring. Win the morning, win the day,